The Samsung Galaxy A36. This smartphone is a very bad deal. I really don't know what Samsung was thinking, but this is a smartphone that you should avoid buying. And in this video, I will give you 7 better, like super awesome smartphones that you can buy for the same price or for even lesser money. So without wasting any precious time, let's begin. Now we have 7 smartphones in this list and I will be splitting up into 2. So we have 4 smartphones that are priced below 30,000. So if you want to save some money, you can go with those. And there are 3 smartphones that are priced around the same pricing, like 33,000 or so. And these smartphones are beasts. So let's start off with the smartphones below 30,000 rupees. So in this list, we have the OnePlus Nord 4, the Realme GT6T, the Motorola Edge 50 Pro and the Realme 14 Pro Plus. You can pause the video and take a look at all the specs. Now all these 4 come with some variant of the Snapdragon 7 generation series. Now the OnePlus Nord 4 and the Realme GT6T have the 7 Plus Gen 3, which are powerhouses. The Realme 14 Pro Plus has the 7S Gen 3, which is still good, and the Motorola Edge 50 Pro has the 7 Gen 3. Now all these processors are superior when compared to the Snapdragon 6 Gen 3 on the Samsung A36. Now I've made sure there's a healthy mix of everything in this list. Now if you want a smartphone with really great power for gaming or multitasking, then you can go with the OnePlus Nord 4 or the Realme GT6T. Now if you want great camera performance along with good performance, you can select the Realme 14 Pro Plus or the Realme GT6T, because both have really good performance along with really good cameras. But if you want good performance, a nice set of cameras, but with stock Android, then you can definitely go with the Motorola Edge 50 Pro, because this here is near stock Android, but the only gripe is, getting the software updates. But other than that, this here is a really good smartphone for the price. So if you already take a look at the smartphones below 30,000, you can see these are way better than the Samsung A36 already. You have smartphones with like superior performance over the A36, really good cameras, good battery life, a really good healthy mix of everything. So if you want a better value for your money and still spend less than the Samsung A36 and still get better performance and better cameras, better battery life, then you can select one from any of these 4. Now suppose say you have 33,000 rupees to spend and you want the absolute best for the price. So instead of going with the Samsung A36, here are 3 better options. You have the OnePlus 12R, the iQOO Neo 9 Pro and the Realme GT6. Now when it comes to the raw power, all these smartphones are like really powerful smartphones. Now 2 of them come with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2, whereas one comes with the Snapdragon 8S Gen 3. You get high refresh rate, big AMOLED displays, you get huge batteries, really fast charging, you get UFS 4.0 or UFS 3.1 storage, and all this for just 33,000 rupees. Now the Samsung A36, like I said, is 33,000 rupees, and for the same price you are getting so much more value with these smartphones. Now in terms of performance, all these 3 are definitely going to be really powerful, but if you want like really good performance along with really good cameras, then you can go with the Realme GT6, because that is going to be really good. And when it comes to battery life, all these 3 are definitely going to be good. So if you have 33,000 to spend, I would suggest go with these 3 rather than the A36. And with that said, these are the 7 better smartphones that you can buy over the Samsung Galaxy A36. Please don't go buy the A36 because it is very bad value. Now it's not like I hate Samsung, I do love Samsung. Previously I did love their M series smartphones, those were good. I definitely like the S23 and the S25, those are really good smartphones, but this definitely isn't value for money. In fact, you can buy a Samsung Galaxy S23 for around 39,000 rupees, depends on the stock, but still you can get a used one for even cheaper. So if you want a Samsung phone, you can at least go that route. And I really hope Samsung reduces the price of the A36 to actually make it look value for money, because right now it is not. Anyways, I'll have the links to all these smartphones in the description below, so make sure you check them out. So thanks for watching, and this here is Suman signing off once again. Catch you later.